Brian Lara. It's got to be beating the Aussies in Australia. It doesn't get any better than that. I hit one in the World Cup against India in Bangalore, which went about 90 metres or something. So that was a pretty good one. First car, it was a Renault Clio 1.1. Went like a dream, that did. Brilliant. My most embarrassing moment was buying some speakers off. People in a van got me to buy some speakers off them. I got them home, plugged them in, and they didn't work. More than they did cost quite a lot, actually. Yeah. My choice of blue outfit. I think I'll go Smurf. Blue Smurf. Can't go wrong with that, can you? I would like to take on a 24-hour Tiddlywinks competition. The best banter in the dressing room in my time in England was Graham Swan, definitely. He was very good. He was a pain in the arse as well, but he was good at banter. The worst would have to be Marcus Lescoffic. Terrible. Matthew Hoggard. Yeah, he was a joke. He wasn't just a joker, he was a joke. Well, the Peterson Anderson sort of blue-red streak thing didn't look great, that for me. Steve Armisen was pretty good as a defender, not many got past him. I don't think he would have done very well in the Premiership though. There's some pretty average tactics involved. I mean, Fred didn't take his training too seriously, I don't think. So he'd probably be in the worst trainer category. Best trainer, it's a bit worrying that I'm struggling to think of a best trainer. I think Geraint Jones was very good, got stuck in. Simon Jones looked like a racehorse. He had the best body in the world, like put us all to shame, but I'm not sure he actually trained that hard to get there. He was just lucky. God, I mean, it's such a long time ago now. Well, it's got to be one of the bowlers are all hotheads, really. So I'll probably go Harmison, actually. He could lose the plot pretty badly. Text cricket to 70123 to donate £5 to Cricket United.